Donny Walker here. Got a co-worker Mike away today. Hope you're okay, buddy. He's the one normally does the sharpenings with our Combo-matic Swedish grinder. But I got stuck doing some, which is okay. I'm just setting it up. Give you a little rundown. So we put how many teeth are into the counter here. And we'll go around do a rotation of the 28 teeth. This adjustment here is to feed the teeth in a little bit more. I'm going to take more of the material off. This adjuster here is for the depth, how much you're going down into the tooth. You don't want to go into the side strap, just real close. You got air assisted on here, blowing air on the tooth to keep it cool. And we use the Oregon red stones on here. Or there's some of the blue ceramic ones like that one. So once it does its rotation, I'll put another one on. We got a few of them here, like this other Scott. And we get them all done today. Pretty slick, eh? Got air on there a little better. Keep that tooth cool. Don't really need to stand here and watch it, but you just gotta watch. Sometimes you might get a bird driver or something. It might screw up the rotation of it, so you want to be watching for that. Always check your change out first. Make sure there's no broken spots, birds in the drivers, or it'll get stuck in the mechanism here, and it won't release properly, and it'll end up binding the machine up. So yeah, expensive unit. Oregon makes ones like this now, or actually Oregon is selling ones like this now, I should say. They're branded Oregon instead of the marketing name on it. Same grinder. This one's only for 3/4 pitch. And I have the other one here for doing 3/8 and 4 o'clock. And 3/25. Okay, keep the saw on the road, sticking the ice, chain sharp, rubber on the road. Have a great week. Check out the WalkerSawShop.com online store. Have a great day. Bye.